more.
For a double header?
Cast a few more times, Tanner, and then pick it back up. Tanner, get up, Tanner. Reel up, Tanner. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Drive forward. Get him
No,
fast, okay?
don't do too much slack.
Okay, Tanner, get out of the way.
Other side, Tanner. Other side, there you go.
Get away, get out of the way, get away.
Get down.
Get out of the way, get out of the way.
Find it. We'll go cast in there later.
Oh yeah, Tyler.
Hey, what were you saying? No fish out here.
Yeah, I didn't tell you you should have come out here earlier. Man, nobody listened to me. Let's tie up. Me, you want to tie up? Yeah. No, you ain't tying up.
No, don't tie up.
That's a big one. That's
Wait,
like
tie
the same
up.
size as yours, Tyler. The same one.
Get the bat and the gaff ready. Alright, Tanner, if you want to, wait, don't cast yet. Well, maybe if one falling, just wait.
Yeah.
No, just don't cast it.
No, there may be one falling it. Alright, keep fishing. If you feel the boat moving a different way, just reel up and wait. Reverse. There it is. There, stop the boat. Stop the boat. Gaff. Gaff now. Gaff now. Alright, now. Get up here. Tanner, get up. Tanner.
Dude, I think there's one near the boat. Can I kind of...
Alright, wait. Tyler, you're about to go around the boat. Go around the front. Go around and around.
I got it. Ready? Bring him up. Lift him up. You want the thing out, Tanner? Tyler?
Wait.
There you got it. Wait, guys, loose. No.
No, that's good.
He's big. Okay, go. All right, go bring it up. Okay, bring it up. Okay, good.
He's coming up.
It's still fighting.
Okay.
You think he got a friend?
Wait, not yet. They don't want to get tangled. He may run again.
Go out in the open?
Yeah. Go away from the...
Take your time, Tyler. Real.
Yeah, jig him up.
Fine, you probably want to back the boat up a little bit. Let the line.
Oh, it's not.
Keep.
Hard.
It's good.
Go.
Put it in neutral. Swim it to the back. Gig.
Yeah!
Woo! Tyler, look.
Get him.
Back there, the bat's back there. The bat's. Cast.
Yeah, go up.
God, that sucker monster!
What is that? Remora.
That's his gut. Here, throw it in the water. Throw that shit in the water.
Alright, Tyler, you gotta drink another beer.
Yeah, drink another.
Hey, that one the same side. Same side,
Yeah,
Brent.
I know. Crazy.
Wait, I think your friend's bigger, you think?
Pretty close. They're pretty close.
More. Get one more. One for each person.
Yeah, just don't get too close. That wasn't even near close to the rig, right, Tyler?